she could fly by heart, invent the skies above, soar on imagination, and land on wisdom's arm. She may sound like a bird's song, she may laugh like a true friend, yet if you listen like an angel, you can hear her call you by your name. The flow, the joining, the being of we in a higher dimension. Vibrations flooding all channels, only those who feel it understand. When she reaches out to share with you, it takes a soul alignment here to hear the fallen truth unfold. Her sweet song of humility, called Amy and the Birds. Amy and the Birds, where once upon there only was the endless tale of there's two sides. Flow, the joining, the being of we in a higher dimension. Vibrations flooding all channels, only those who feel it understand. Till the in of out, the up of down, the right of wrong became transcendence. Dichotomies and divisions clashing head on. The end of every heart at war, becoming Amy and the Birds are talking. The flow, the joining, the being